In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Base44. By the end, you'll have Stripe connected and ready to power a simple Buy Now button inside your Base44 project. We'll start by grabbing your Stripe API keys, open your Stripe dashboard, and head to the Developers section, then API keys. You'll see two types of keys, the publishable key and the secret key. The publishable key is safe to use on the client side for initializing Stripe in the browser, while the secret key must be kept private and is used on the server side to securely create charges or payment intents. Decide whether you're working in test or live mode, and make sure the keys you copy match that mode. For most setups, you'll start in test mode. Copy both keys and keep them somewhere secure for a moment. Never paste your secret key into public code, screenshots, or anywhere it can be exposed. With your keys ready, switch over to Base44. In the chat, you'll prompt the AI to scaffold the integration. Type exactly integrate Stripe and add a Buy Now button. This tells the assistant what you want it to build, and it will generate the necessary components and wiring for a basic payment flow. Give it a moment to finish. If the assistant asks for any clarifications, stick with the same goal: Stripe integration and a Buy Now button, so the output stays focused. Next, add your Stripe credentials to Base44 so the integration can authenticate. In Base44, open the Secrets or Settings tab. You'll find fields specifically for Stripe keys. Paste your publishable key into the field labeled for the publishable or public key, and paste your secret key into the field labeled for the secret key. Double check that you didn't swap them. Putting the secret in the publishable field can cause errors, and exposing the secret key can compromise your account. If you're working in test mode, confirm that the keys you're pasting also come from test mode. Save your changes so Base44 can store the credentials securely. That's the entire integration flow. You collected your API keys from Stripe, prompted the AI in Base44 to set up Stripe and add a Buy Now button, and then pasted the keys into the correct secret fields. From here, the generated button and back-end logic can communicate with Stripe using the credentials you provided. When you're ready to go live, you can return to the same secrets or settings area and replace the test keys with your live keys. Keep your secret key safe, and you'll have a clean, reliable Stripe connection inside Base44.